What is the best way in increasing prices on your customers?
The best way to increase the prices on your customers?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
You said you specialize in commercial, correct?
Yeah, yes.
So whenever you win your clients, you have them on a service agreement for like about 12 months.
Yes.
Okay. So what I would do with commercial is around this time, matter of fact, around September, October, I'm sending out emails. And the email would just tell them that going into next year, you're going to be raising your prices. So the best time to do it is really at the end of the year. You send your letter off and you let them know due to inflation and insurance, our
That's
prices
exactly what it's due
raised.
to.
Yeah, due to inflation and insurance, you could just matter of fact go on Chat GPT
You
and
already
Chat
know. You already know.
you know what I'm saying?
Let them
Let
type it
Chat
out.
GPT type something up real nice for you. But the purpose is we're going to be raising our prices in 2024. At least 10%, 15%, just let them know. And do that every year, y'all. Okay, you should not be, let me let these people know real quick. You should not have customers for 2 years and y'all at the same price. It makes no sense. They're going up on your rent, right? Okay. So every year you should be sending these letters out. We go up on our prices every year. I don't care if it's $5, $10, I don't care. Every year we got to go up. We got any other questions, ladies? And one gentleman. All right. Any questions? Any questions? I'm looking over. Let me make sure I didn't.
I have one more, and this is my last one, I promise.
Go ahead, honey. I could be here all night. I ain't got nothing to
do. So I seen that you do a lot of Airbnbs, and I was looking into getting into cleaning the Airbnbs, but I'm not sure if the rates are right, like what they're asking. So, like, how much do you charge to do Airbnbs?
Right. So Airbnbs can be tricky. It's a lot of different variables that go into cleaning Airbnbs. So the main thing that I look at is how many beds that the Airbnb has, how many bedrooms, how many beds, and do we have to wash the linen? That's like the main thing, the main questions, the first questions that I ask, because the laundry is the most time consuming part. So if you say you got a 5-bedroom and you got 10 beds, I'm be like, shit, y'all gonna outsource the linen, right? Because my ladies aren't gonna do all that linen.
Right.
Okay, so they need to understand that you got a lot of beds, and my ladies aren't gonna be doing all that linen. Okay, we're not a laundry service here. So I would suggest I actually have a linen company on speed dial that I always refer those clients to, and I tell them to call that company and outsource your linen to that company. We'll come in and we'll do the turn, and I'll just price you for the turn. Now, depending on the square footage of the home, I have to do my due diligence to see how long it's going to take for my cleaner to clean it. If it's the largest home that I have is probably it's like a 6-bedroom, and I charge $500 a flip for this mansion.
Okay.
That we do. It's about 3 stories, but they don't have to do the linen. Okay, that's the thing. They ain't got to do linen or anything, and it's usually taking them from 11 to 4 o'clock to flip it. 2 ladies have to flip it. Okay, and that's the largest one we have. And then we have like 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. Those can range around 120.
Yeah, see, I really feel like I shouldn't go with these people because their rates, they don't want me to do linen, but their rates for like a 1-bedroom is $60.
Oh no.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, you feel me? Like I don't think it's worth it.
You don't have to do the linen, and that's what they're trying to tell you, right?
Right.
And is it a 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom? How many rooms?
Is the 6. He has a bunch of different properties. This one is 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom for 60, and then the 2 bedroom would be 70, and 3 bedroom 85.
And do you know how many beds are in these?
I'm guessing just by the bedroom. He didn't go into details. I meet with him Sunday to find out more information, but I'm
Mm.
still iffy. Like maybe I shouldn't even meet with him if
Are you going to be the only one cleaning?
Yes. He said he has like 11 properties, so it would be turnovers all week, all through the week.
Okay. So I understand what he's doing. I actually just took on a contract that's kind of similar to those prices. Um, but my cleaners don't have to wash any of the linen in it. And they're moving pretty
Right, that's the
really
same.
pretty
He
fast
doesn't.
out. But let me show you how we priced it. Hold on. Where is it at?
Okay.
Let me show you real quick. Give you an example. Let me see this here. Shit. Let me get this out of the way. It would be 20, and then that is 80. 80, I think that's 50. And that is 50. Some math here. Real quick, hold on. That's 45, and then 60, that's 10. So I'll do 20.
To reply to what that
45.
lady said, Maddie, that's how I do my residential. I do strictly by square footage. But see, with Airbnbs, I'm so new to that. I don't know if it's just by the bedroom, like you were saying, or by square foot.
All right, so let me show you an example. Because I mean, you really got to know what you're getting yourself into when you play around with those, right?
Exactly.
So here's a contract that we have, right? And these prices right here is what the company gives us for these units. Okay.
Okay.
So let's say on September 18th, I had how many cleaners did this? I had one cleaner did Abercorn, and then I had one cleaner do these three right here. The 70, the 95, and the 60, right?
Okay.
So what we did was we outsourced this right here to the independent contractor, and we gave this person right here got 50 for this one. This person right here got 80 for that one. This person got 50. This person got 50. And the company made $115 off of these cleans for the 18th. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You understand the profit? So that's $115 that we made. It's not like a whole lot of money that the
Right.
cleaners are making, but it's not taking the cleaners a long time to get finished with these units, taking them like an hour and a half or 2 hours to get finished with these. The one that
Exactly.
takes the most would probably be this one right here. It takes about 3 hours.
Okay.
Okay? So if a cleaner makes $80 in 3 hours, like that ain't really bad. They can go on and do something else.
Exactly.
You know what I
See,
mean?
I had thought about doing it just because, business is kind of slow at the moment with residential houses, and I just really needed to feel the space.
Right. So, and then you're going to be cleaning it yourself, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So, I mean, that's another way you can look at it. We usually don't take on projects like that, but this particular client, she actually has a lot of properties. And in order for me to take on those prices, she would have to make it make sense for me.
Right.
You know,
Yeah.
for
So I'll go to that meeting Sunday and see exactly how many turnovers or he won't know exactly how many turnovers, but an estimate of how many turnovers and how.
And then see, while you're cleaning it, you will know how long it's taking you, so you can have an idea, because you don't want to be stuck in there cleaning these things. Okay.
Yeah.
That's what you don't want. You don't want to be stuck in there. So go to the meeting and just give it a try and see if it's even worth, see if it is something that you can outsource to somebody else. But that's exactly how I outsourced it. And that's it. It worked out for us,
Right. Okay. Thank you.
Okie dokie. All right. We got any other questions?